Hello there, it's Anna here and welcome to Little Crochet Farm. Today we will work together this Chubby Love Bunny. This is one more pattern from the Valentine's collection. You may have seen here before the bee and the cat so far, and the cupid, of course. So today we will work this bunny. All the information you may need about this pattern is in the free written pattern in the description of this video over here. But for now I tell you that I work with a 2mm crochet hook and a light weighted yarn. So check out the link in the description for the free pattern, and now let's start working these little cutie ones. Super good. We will start here working the body and in a magic ring, okay? If you don't know how to make the magic ring, there is a video tutorial fully dedicated to the magic ring, but here you can see pretty much how it's done. So inside the magic ring for the first round, you will work 6 single crochet. Okay? For every stitch and technique I used for this pattern, there is a complete video tutorial in the description of this video, alright? And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's pull this tight, close the magic ring, and we'll move on for the second round. Here for the second round you will work 6 increases and you should have 12 stitches at the end of the round. Okay? And when I say increase, that means you will work 2 single crochet inside 1 stitch. Alright? So this is my first increase. Moving on to my second. And that's how you go. So I'll move fast forward here. And I want to show you that I like to double secure the beginning of my thread, and how I do this is by inserting the thread in the tapestry needle and waving in the first round. My stitches are very tight usually, so it's a bit harder, but this is just something that I like to do, and I do it in all of my toys. Okay, so you have the beginning of your toy very neat and closed. Like this. This is nice for me. Now I will add here my stitch marker. In my case, I just use a piece of a different color yarn. And moving on for the third round. Here you will work 1 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 18 stitches at the end of the round. Okay? So here I just want to show you. This is my 1 single crochet and my increase here. Repeat all the way around, and I will catch you up for the next round. So here for round number 4, you will work 2 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 24 stitches at the end of the round. Alright, so this is the first repetition. We work together here. So 1, 2, and my increase over here. Okay, repeat all the way around. And let's move on here for the round number 5. You will work 3 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 30 stitches. Okay, I always suggest you to count how many stitches you have at the end of every round. This helps you out to make sure you are right on track. 1, 2, 3, and this one is the increase. Okay, repeat 6 times and I will catch you up. For the round number 6, you will work 4 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 36 stitches at the end of this round. Okay? So as always, let's work here our first repetition. We have 2 more rounds with increases to go. Okay? So let's check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is my increase. Repeat all the way around until the end. Super good. Moving on now for round number 7, you will work 5 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 42 stitches here at the end of this round. Okay, so let's work here the first repetition together. This is my 5th single crochet, and now increasing. Great. So let's take a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the increase. Okay? Repeat 5 more times, 6 in total, and I will catch you up for the last round with increases, which is round number 8. Here you will work 6 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 48 stitches at the end of this round. I missed my stitch here, okay? Moving on. And 6. Now I work a increase. So this is 1 and 2. All right, great. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and increase over here. Okay, repeat all the way around. All right, now we're gonna work here the height length of our bunny. So from round number 9 to 21, you will work 48 single crochet, okay? So here's where you stop your video and start working your repetitions and come back here once you're done with all of your rounds for round 22. Super good. So here, let me show you. This is the round with the last increase. You see here, this is 1 increase. So we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And we will move now for round 22. Okay? So all the rounds are there. All the repetition is done. We will start decreasing. So for round number 22, you will work 6 single crochet, 1 decrease. Repeat 6 times and you should have a total of 42 stitches here at the end of this round. Okay? And for crochet toys here, we will work with invisible decrease. If you don't know how to do the invisible decrease, there is a video tutorial here, but basically you will grab just the front loop of the next 2 stitches and work a single crochet. Okay? If the video is fast to you, take a look in the video tutorial. Repeat all the way around and we will move on for the next round, round number 23. You will work 5 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times and you should have a total of 36 stitches at the end of this round. Once again, I would like to tell you to count how many stitches you have at the end of every round, just to make sure you are right on the track, okay? So this is my decrease over here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, repeat all the way around, okay? Now for the round number 24, you will work 4 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have 30 stitches here at the end of this round. And we will work all of these decreases until we have 12 stitches remaining, which is when we will fasten off. All right, so let's work here this decrease. First repetition we work together. Now we work all the way around and I will catch you up for round number 25. Here you will work 3 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times and you should have a total of 24 stitches at the end of this round. Okay, so here is my decrease. Repeat all the way around and I will catch you up for next one. For round number 26, we are almost done. You will work 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times and you should have 18 stitches at the end of this round. 12 you will have on the next round, not on this one. Okay, repeat all the way around. Here we will stop a little bit to add stuffing material before we move on for our last round, which is round number 27, okay? So add your stuffing material here and come back for the next round. All right, for round 27 and last one, you will work 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times and you should have 12 stitches at the end of this round. So this is my single crochet and decrease. All right. Super good. Repeat all the way around and I will catch up so we can fasten this off. Once you're done, you can cut the thread here. Leave a small tail for us to fasten this off, add in your tapestry needle, and what you're going to do is you will grab just the front loop of each stitch, okay? So front loop from outside in, front loop over here, and it so on. So you grab here 12 front loops, okay? You don't need to pull it tight right now. We pull it now at the end when you grab all of them, okay? So let's pull this tight. Make sure when you're grabbing just the front loop to not introduce your tapestry needle in the middle of the plies of your yarn, because that can give you a little bit of problems when you're pulling out. And now let's just organize this and it's done. Okay, moving forward, we'll start here crocheting the paws of our bunny, okay? So we'll start once again with a magic ring and 6 single crochet in a magic ring. Here you know how it's done already. And I'm working with this different color, so a contrast color here, because I want the paws to have this contrast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want it to have this contrast. You can work with any color you want. I chose a pink, like a bright pink. And I made another one in blue, so... Okay. Now here, before we move forward, we will work a color change, because I just want this first, like this beginning, to be with a different color, okay? So we'll change here to our main color of this bunny, which in this case is the white. On the other bunny I made is the light blue. So we change color here and you will work 6 increases. Again, you have done this before in the beginning of this video, so you know how it's done. And here I'm using the most basic way to change colors in Crochet Toys, but I have a fully dedicated video with the 4 most used ways to change colors in Amigurumi. You might want to check that out. It's a very nice video. I mostly use the method 2 that I show in that video, but in this case I just used the most easy version. You can cut this thread now, we will not need it anymore, our contrast color. And here I will double secure as I do it always, so I just want to show you this for you to remember. This helps your magic ring to do not unravel, so it's a good thing. And you can give just a simple knot here with the white and the pink from the other colors, because this will be inside of the toy, so you just secure the beginning of the threads. Yeah, it's very tight. My tension is very tight to do those things. Now we will work a couple of repetitions here. So from round 3 to 9, you will work 12 single crochet, okay? Very simple and easy. So you can stop the video here, work all your repetitions until round 9, and I will come back because round 10 it's a bit different, and it's the last one. All right. Okay, we will add here a little bit of stuffing material. You don't need to add too much, because our bunny will be sitting. If you add too much, he will be balancing back and forth. And you will fold this in half, okay? Because we will crochet the sides together. So for round 10, you will work 6 single crochet. The first stitch is a bit tricky because those two are very near to each other. You see those 2 stitches. But once you're over that, the rest is completely fine. So you have 12 stitches in total, right? Once you fold the paws, you have 6 in one side, 6 on the other side, and you will crochet them together, closing it. All right? So this is what we are doing here right now. This is my 3rd stitch, 4th, 5th, And the last one is right here in the corner, one beside the other one. Great, that is it. We are done with this. You can cut your thread. Leave a little bit of room here in your yarn for sewing this later. And like this one, you will make another one following the same instructions. Ta-da! Magic, I have it here. Super good. Now let's move on. Again, I will start with the contrast color that I chose here. And once again, we'll start with the magic ring. This one is a bit different. So we have the down paws, that is the one that the bunny is sitting on it, and you have the arms, that is the one that it's hugging the heart, all right? So this one, you will work 5 single crochet inside the magic ring. So it's basically the same as the other paws that you work, but in this case, you will work with 5 stitches here. We will work a color change now. We'll work a color change here, and you will make, for the second round, 5 increases. So you'll have 10 stitches in total. Okay, so on the previous detail, on the previous paws, you have 12 stitches. On this one, you have 10. So that is the only difference between the down ones that the bunny is sitting on it from these ones that the bunny is on, hugging the heart. Once you're done, we will work here a couple of repetitions. First, let me cut this out. We don't need it anymore. You can give a simple knot. Remember to double secure the beginning of your thread. It's something that you already know. So I will move fast here. And now we will work round 3 to 9, 10 single crochet. Okay? So almost same thing as you've done it before, but with this time 10 single crochet. So work all your repetitions here, and I'll catch you up so we can work the round number 10 together. Okay? Super good. So we have all of these rounds done. We will add a little bit of stuffing material. You don't need to add too much. Basically add until halfway, kind of like that. And we will work with the same technique as before. So you fold this in half. You will have 5 stitches in one side, 5 on the other side. And you will crochet 5 single crochet here, closing this detail. All right? I like this so much, to close them, crocheting them together. It's a good feeling, I think. Well, for me, it's a good feeling. All right, so this is the third one. We are almost done. Great. And one more. All right, so we are done here with this one. You can cut your thread here, leave a little bit of tail for sewing, and like magic, you make another one to appear. Ta-da! Okay,